There's a blue jay in the snow. It's deep. Well, we have a foot or so. He's picking at the bird seed that fell down from the feeder. Up there we see quite a few sparrows. Family of sparrows. There comes a cardinal. It's a female cardinal. You can see she's much lighter in color than her male. You can still see the red though in her, but she has more brown than red. See the blue jay, he's still down there. He's watching. He's letting the rest of them eat. Blue jay always gets a bad rep for scaring the other birds away. I don't think today, though, the birds are caring too much, because there's not a whole lot of food. For them to find. There's a blue jay. It's much larger than the other birds. Very beautiful. Beautiful bird. See if the other one's down on the ground. He's still in the snow. There's a couple other sparrows and down there in the ground too.